Hey, Santos, Anthony Rose, if you guys are loving country swing dancing as much as we are loving country swing dancing, you guys are gonna love this advanced country swing move we put together for you guys, so stick around.
We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million.
Guys, we are really starting to enjoy country swing a lot.
We're loving it, and it's growing like crazy. It's everywhere right now, so if you haven't tried it before, get on it.
It is not going away. Now, if you want to learn more country swing, you're going to notice this little button down here, and it says subscribe. Now, if you click that button, then you become an ex-dancer, and you'll know when all the awesome stuff happens here on the channel. So we're going to demonstrate what we've got for you today, and then we'll break it down. All right, guys, here's what it looks like.
We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud 9.
All right, guys, there's a lot going on in this pattern. This is a pretty advanced country swing move, and so we have to make some assumptions. In order to fit this in a video, we can't assume that you're a beginner and we've got to break down every little thing. Okay, so if you're an advanced dancer, you're in the right spot. If you're a beginner, at least watch that video right there first. That's going to break down the country swing basics. But along the way, some of the stuff in this move we've taught in other videos before, so we're also going to be linking to like further breakdowns of those things in order to fit this all into one. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with the first half of the country swing basic, and we have slow, quick, quick. Now from this point, I'm going to show you this in a second, but I'm going to switch that hand and I'm going to bring her into this sweetheart position. Okay, there's a little trick to doing that, and then from there we get into this reverse. Okay, so let me talk about that one more time. So the first thing we're going to do is slow, quick, quick. Now I'm going to be taking this hand and I'm going to bring it underneath the arm, and as she comes forward, I'm going to be going down the arm and to get her into that sweetheart position. Let me show you that close up. So we bring her in for slow, quick, quick. Now, before we do that second turn, I need to show you what I'm going to do with this arm. I've got both of her hands, but I'm taking my right arm and I'm putting underneath. So you'll notice I'm actually taking my forearm underneath her forearm. Okay, so I'm going from here. I'm still keeping this hand for just a second, but I'm coming underneath. Now I'm going to lead her in, but what happens is I slide my forearm down that arm, and then I get to that hand and we end up in this sweetheart. So if I show you that one more time a little bit faster, we have slow, quick, quick, slow.
Followers, notice the wrist right here. He's just taking that with the wrist coming up there. So that's intentional. Don't grab on there. That's pretty common there. Let him take that wrist so you don't constrict that movement.
Yeah, leaders, you're the one in charge of making those connections. Followers, you just say yes, that's all you're doing. Don't create things. So it's slow, rock step, slow, rock step. Now from here we have triple step, and finishing in a rock step. So this is triple step. I'm gonna come around to the other side of her for triple step, and then we have a rock step going down to the shoulder. Now, if you'd like to see how we've done this particular move in a two-step, click that link right there. It's going to give a kind of a better breakdown of how all this stuff works. But again, we start out with that core rhythm of a slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and now it's triple step, rock step. So to get into that bow tie, both hands come up, both hands over, and both hands down. Once we get into this position, we literally can just let go of that hand. We're actually not going to need that at this point. But it's important we take this right hand and we put that on her shoulder, because what's going to happen next is a neck roll. I raise my elbow up, I keep my hand on her back, and then we're going to go down into that monkey swing, which is what the next thing is called, okay? So bow tie and monkey swing is what we're doing, okay? So again, if we go to that position, this is a triple step, and it lands here. Both hands come up, both hands come down. I let go of the left, and notice I drop her hand over here. I go to that shoulder.
Right, hold on one second. Followers, really open up that shoulder here, because that's gonna be kind of your prep here and his connection to send you going back this way.
Yeah, so everything has I go away in order to come towards, and vice versa, okay? So it's gotta go away in order to bring her back. Now my hand is on her shoulder. I've got to be close enough to her here so that she can fit under my arm. So if she's close enough here, all I've got to do is turn her with that. I can lift my elbow, keeping my hand on her back until we land here. Now it's important that I don't lose contact with her. I don't like spin her, let go, and then try to catch her again. If you watch that from this side, if you watch how my hand actually works from behind, I'm actually gonna keep it on her. It rolls in. You notice my hand stays on her back, and she continues to roll until we get to that spot.
And followers, I wanted to talk about that turn really quick. When you're doing that neck roll, all right, right here, you're just gonna bring your chin down to your chest. I see a lot of followers when they do a neck roll, they bend over too much. So you just wanna duck that just a little bit and it's a quick turn.
Could you do that one more time?
Down like this, is that cute? Don't look like that, just keep it right here to your chest. You don't wanna look like me.
Just lower your head and keep her close enough to where she doesn't have to duck over, guys. But just raise the elbow, bring her underneath, keep the contact, and end up in that position. So up to this point, it's slow, rock step, slow, rock step. Now we have triple step, rock step. We roll her in, and then we monkey swing. Okay, now, the monkey swing is its own thing. We actually like this. We use it in a lot of different dances. If you'd like to see the full breakdown of the monkey swing, that's right here. We've done that in the West Coast swing also because you use it in different things. But the basic idea of this is once she gets into this position and we roll her in, she has to be directly in front of me so that I have my hand on her back. She's gonna lower and have her weight away from me. So I'm counterbalancing this way while she's going away from me. So we have this, and then she lowers and she swings out. And you give one of those things, okay? So
this is my finest moment right now.
We have triple step in, she leans away, she comes out, and then we catch her over top of the arm. A little more close up with the monkey swing, we're bringing her in for triple step. Now at this point, again, if you watch where my hand is on her back, my forearm is up against her upper arm, so we have this nice shelf in contact here, but what's gonna happen is her weight's gonna go away from me, she's gonna lower, and then I use that to rotate her, and she steps out, and I catch her over top of that arm. So the last thing that's gonna happen from here, again, she's got this opposition. After the monkey swing, she comes out, she's got this opposition to go away. I'm gonna roll her in, and again, she's always gonna have that opposite arm, the one I'm not using, in what we call guard the girl. So I'm gonna be turning her, she keeps that arm across her chest, because if she puts it across her chest, I know where to find it so that we can get to here and finish with a rock step. That is just another triple step.
Yep.
And then a rock step. So that replaces the slow, quick way. So if we watch this all together, that is slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, triple step, rock step, rolling in, down, through, out, and triple step, rock step, and now we're back into the country swing. Guys, if you need help with some of those pieces, be sure to go back through the video and click on some of those links that we put in the video, because there's really good breakdowns, like all in detail breakdowns of those individual elements. So we do want to show you this to music a couple times.
Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud
nine. We've got some cool
Enough said.
I don't want to use the word cool all the time. It's like I felt old.
Take a journey. Your country swing.
Somebody commented on one of our videos this morning. Said it was nice to hear Rose talk for once. And I commented back, it's like, yes, Anthony sometimes even lets her out of the cage on weekends.